So, hello everyone and guys, welcome to the channel. So guys, yesterday a very important decision regarding the India as a nation has come out. That is, the result of the general elections for 2024 has come out. So now we know the government which will be ruling this country for the upcoming 5 years. But for us, if you are a serious aspirant of the regulatory bodies examination, the good news for us is that now guys, sooner or later, we can expect the notifications of the regulatory bodies examination. And if you guys are a serious aspirant of RBI Grade B examination, guys, I will say now the clock has started running on. Start preparing your current affairs now, because if you, let's say, wait for 15 days or 30 days, and in that time, if the notification comes out, it will really cost you a lot and you can be out of the race also. So start preparing for the examination from now, or I can say today onwards. Now guys, if I talk about the RBI as an examination, one of the most important topic which everyone has a fear is that is government schemes. It's a very important topic because it's relevant for phase 1, because around 10 to 15 questions are being asked in phase 1 examination. And then specifically phase 2 ESI objective, it is where the government schemes dominate, because almost your 40% of paper is coming from the government schemes. And now we have seen in the past examination that even in finance current affairs, they have started asking questions on government schemes, which means in every phase of the examination, this is one thing which every candidate must prepare seriously. And it's something you cannot go beyond in your examination. Now guys, in this video, I will not be explaining you that how you should cover the government schemes, because that I have already made a video on our YouTube channel. You can watch that video. I will add the link for that video in the description, where you can get to know that how many musts you should cover, what are the important dimensions you have to cover for the government schemes. Today, I will be discussing with you the most important government schemes that you must prepare if you're going for the examination in 2024. Where I will be decoding around 100 most important government schemes that are important for the RBI Grade B 2024 examination. Now here, what are the things we have done is, we have tried to divide your schemes ministry wise, where we have color coded this document, where the green color means that is the schemes in which some data are being released or some kind of details were given. Then we have decoded the schemes as red in color, which are the schemes which got updated, or you can say about the schemes were being launched recently. These are those schemes. And then we have marked some schemes as black in color with a black font, where these are general schemes which you should prepare if you are preparing for the examination. And majority of the schemes which we have taken here are being taken from the schemes tab document that we are providing you in the course here. So now guys, let's begin here with the first ministry, that is Ministry of Finance. One of the most important ministry if you are preparing for the RBI examination is this Ministry of Finance, because we are seeing the questions on these schemes. So now let's talk about the important schemes here that you must prepare is Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, Suraksha Bima Yojana, PM Mudra Yojana, because consistently the data are being released on those things. Then PM Jan Dhan, Atal Pension Yojana, National Pension System, Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana. Then guys, Mahila Saman Saving Certificate Scheme, which is the scheme that was launched previous year, a very important scheme from the perspective of Ministry of Finance. Stand Up India Scheme, Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana, and Mera Bill Mera Adhikar scheme. So these are schemes regarding Ministry of Finance. Then second comes Ministry of Education. Now this is one mistake I want that you should not commit, because if you look at the syllabus of the RBI, many of us feel that now health and education are not part of the syllabus because they have omitted this word from the syllabus. But remember guys, we have a broader pillar here, that is social justice. So in the social justice, it covers education, gender issues, as well as health sector. So we have to prepare these schemes because they have asked a question previous year also. Now let's look at the schemes from Ministry of Education. PM Usha scheme, a very important scheme because the guidelines have been issued. Then if I talk about in many institutions, the funding have been provided under this specific scheme. So this scheme is important. Then comes our National Means Cum Merit Scholarship Scheme. If I just give me a second so that I can broaden it for you. Okay, so this is how you could see here. Now, then we have National Means Cum Merit Scholarship Scheme, Pradhan Mantri PM Shri School Scheme, and New India Literacy Program. I have just revised these schemes with you in the recent schemes revision session also. I hope you have watched that session also on the YouTube. If you have not watched, you can watch that session also on our YouTube channel, which is freely available to you. Then if I talk about Ministry of Social Justice, the important schemes that you must prepare are the schemes by the name of Shrestha scheme. It's been consistently seen in news from the past few months. Then Shreya scheme, both OBC and SC, you should remember. Atal Vayu Abhyuday Yojana, Rashtriya Vayashri Yojana, I can say PM Daksh, Pradhan Mantri Anusuchit Jati Abhyuday Yojana, very important scheme regarding social sector. Smile scheme, again seen in news. And then we have National Action Plan for Mechanized Sanitation System, which is the Namaste scheme, which again in seen in news. And guys, a very important scheme because the question has been asked on this scheme in the previous examination. So you can expect a question from these schemes. And if I talk about these schemes, just names were given here, so just not major details were given, but here we can see some important data were being shared regarding this specific scheme here. Now let's further on proceed to the next important ministry, that is Ministry of Women and Child Development. So here all the important schemes are there because some kind of data, some kind of details were seen with respect to these schemes. That is Mission Shakti, then Saksham Anganwadi and Poshan 2.0, Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme. I have discussed with this scheme also with you in my revision session. Then is Palna scheme, or you can talk about National Creche scheme. So all these schemes are important regarding women and child development. Then moving further on, the Health and Family Welfare scheme, if I talk about here, one of the most important scheme which you must prepare is the Pradhan Mantri Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. Similar to that, you should prepare Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission because the ABHA IDs have recently now been interlinked with the central government health scheme, so they are important. Then Ayushman Bharat Health Infrastructure Mission. All these health relating schemes are very, very important. And along with that, the next will be Suman scheme. So Surakshit Matritva Ashvasan scheme is important for your examination. Then let's talk about a very important ministry which generally majority of us feel that the question from this scheme will be asked in NABARD examination only. It will be less relevant for your RB examination, but guys, do not make this mistake. See, if you look at the recent trend of RBI, they are now being asking questions from the agriculture related schemes, schemes of Ministry of Rural Development, and even if those schemes which is somehow related to horticulture or kind of promoting the agriculture at larger scale, they are asking questions because we have a topic in the syllabus in ESI by the name of Indian Agriculture, so that's important. Now the scheme here is that is Ministry of Rural Developments, NRLM National Rural Livelihood Mission. Then we have NREGA, that is Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, or you can talk about Employment Guarantee Scheme. Then we have Awas Yojana Rural or Gram Sadak Yojana. So guys, Awas Yojana Rural was seen in the interim budget. The targets were there. And if I talk about these schemes are not just these schemes, that is this is the only scheme you have to prepare, because now when the government will be formed, we will be expecting that recently just कुछ दिनों में हमारा बजट आएगा और वहां पे भी कुछ स्कीम्स और लॉन्च हो सकती हैं, तो हमें वो तो ऐड करनी ही है, बट आप देखो कहीं ना कहीं ये स्कीम्स वहां पे पक्का हाईलाइट होंगी ही होंगी. कुछ स्कीम्स ऐड होंगी, वो हम यहाँ पे फिर इस लिस्ट में ऐड कर लेंगे और उनको और अच्छी तरह पढ़ लेंगे. ठीक है, चलिए मूविंग टू मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर एंड फार्मर्स वेलफेयर. सो वी हैव पीएम किसान स्कीम, देन वी हैव Kisan Mandhan, National Agriculture Market E-Nam, then we have AIF, Agriculture Infrastructure Fund Scheme, PM Krishi Sinchai Yojana, PM Fasal Bima Yojana, FPOs, Per Drop More Crop, Soil Health Card and National Mission on Natural Farming. अगर आप इन schemes की बात कर रहे हो, जिसे I talk about the important schemes of agriculture, you can see these are those schemes which are consistently seen in news. Either some sort of data on these schemes were released or either these schemes were being seen in PIB. तो ये schemes हमारी इंपॉर्टेंट है जो पढ़नी ही पढ़नी है एग्रीकल्चर के. एंड वी हैव सीन द क्वेश्चन ऑन एआईएफ आल्सो एज वेल एज ऑन पीएम किसान. देन फूड प्रोसेसिंग इंडस्ट्री, आई विल से प्रधानमंत्री मत्स्य संपदा योजना इज इंपॉर्टेंट. इट्स नॉट मत्स्य किसान संपदा योजना. मत्स्य इज रिलेटेड द फिशरी सेक्टर, दैट इज अगेन अ स्कीम दैट यू मस्ट प्रिपेयर रिगार्डिंग द फिशरी सेक्टर. देन आई कम टू द लेबर एंड एम्प्लॉयमेंट. वी हैव श्रम योगी मानधन स्कीम, a very important scheme regarding the retirement scheme, which is very important. Then RBI specific schemes. So these are the most important schemes, guys. If I talk about here, the interest equalization scheme for pre and post shipment to pre-export credit. This is the recent scheme where development have been released or developments with regards to these schemes were seen in news. Then we have liberalized remittance scheme, sovereign gold bond scheme और payment infrastructure development fund scheme. तो ये सारी की सारी schemes हमारी important है. इसके बाद आते हैं मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ न्यू एंड रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी, एंड हियर यू विल सी द इंपॉर्टेंट स्कीम्स because we are now focusing majorly on the global environment related initiatives, and you can see majority of the important schemes, the recent schemes are being launched here. we have National Green Hydrogen Mission, and under National Green Hydrogen Mission there are various sub schemes which have been launched, so cover those schemes also. Then we have CPSU, Central Public Sector Undertaking Scheme, सूर्यमुक्त बिजली हर घर योजना है, PM कुसुम स्कीम है, और मैंने बता दिया आपको नेशनल ग्रीन हाइड्रोजन मिशन, अगेन दिस इज अ रीसेंट लॉन्च स्कीम, तो इसको भी अच्छी तरह पढ़ लीजिए। फिर आते हैं हैवी इंडस्ट्रीज। देखो अब यहाँ पे सारी स्कीम्स आ रही हैं। फेम इंडिया स्कीम डिसकंटिन्यू हो चुकी है, बट आई विल स्टिल से गाइस have an idea of FAME India scheme because that can be asked. Then थोड़ा सा आपको आइडिया, बिकॉज यही से इसी का ही अपडेटेड वर्जन बना है इलेक्ट्रिक मोबिलिटी प्रमोशन स्कीम. सो रिमेंबर दीज टू स्कीम्स एंड देन वी हैव PLI scheme for automobile and auto component industry scheme. Again the guidelines are being updated here. Then commerce and industry, I can say Unnati scheme, that is Uttar Purva transformative industrialization scheme. Then we have remission of duties and taxes on exported products. दोनों की guidelines update हुई हैं तो important है. Then we have Ministry of Defense, where Aditi scheme is important here. Coming to Ministry of Fisheries, National Livestock Mission, National Livestock Mission, FIDF, AHIDF, प्रधानमंत्री मत्स्य किसान समृद्धि सह योजना, I will say प्रधानमंत्री मत्स्य संपदा योजना, both are important for the examination. फिर पेट्रोलियम की बात करूंगा तो one of the important scheme which you always see here is that is प्रधानमंत्री उज्ज्वला योजना, a very very important scheme. Then tribal affairs, all these important schemes are recently being launched. PM Janman scheme, solar power scheme regarding the Janman is important. Then we have the marketing and logistics development for promotion of tribal products from northeastern region. फिर मैं बात करूंगा हाउसिंग एंड अर्बन अफेयर्स की, तो ई बस सेवा स्कीम was launched previous year, it's an important scheme. Then we have Swanidhi scheme, again an important. Awas Yojana, Urban, Swachh Bharat Mission, Urban, Smart Cities Mission, all these schemes are important and guys you must have an idea with regards to these schemes. फिर बात करता हूँ Ministry of MSME, very very important schemes which were launched previous year. PM विश्वकर्मा योजना अभी भी prominent है. Then RAM scheme, that is Credit Guarantee Fund Trust for Micro and Small Enterprises, PMEGP. Then we have Lean scheme and National SC/ST hub schemes, you must remember. फिर आ जाते हैं कंज्यूमर अफेयर्स में, यहाँ पे गरीब कल्याण अन्न योजना न्यू विच इज नाउ बीइंग एनहांस्ड ऑल्सो. इस इलेक्शन में मुद्दा भी बना थोड़ा सा गरीब कल्याण अन्न योजना पे, तो वी विल नॉट गो टू द इलेक्शन पार्ट, बट रिमेंबर दिस इज समथिंग वी हैव टू प्रिपेयर. तो आइडिया बेस छोटी स्कीम है, हो जाएगी आराम से. देन वी हैव दिस वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्कीम, भारतीय जन औषधि परियोजना. SIDBI has signed an agreement with the and with the scheme where some sort of benefits are being given with regards to the formation of Jan Aushadhi Kendras. Then guys, Ministry of Jal Shakti, Jal Jeevan Mission, Atal Bhujal Yojana, Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin, all these schemes are important, perennial schemes है, flagship हैं, पढ़नी ही पढ़नी है. फिर स्किल डेवलपमेंट में आते हैं प्रधानमंत्री कौशल विकास योजना, नेशनल अप्रेंटिसशिप प्रमोशन स्कीम. Then if I talk about some other important schemes which are not somehow related to the ministries but still you should cover here, that is पहले आती है मल्टी मिनिस्ट्रियल भी है यहाँ पे, लार्जेस्ट ग्रेन स्टोरेज प्लान एंड कोऑपरेटिव सेक्टर. ड्रोन दीदी NRLM का ही एक सब पार्ट बन जाएगा, ठीक है जी. पृथ्वी विज्ञान स्कीम. देन वी हैव इंडियन फॉरेस्ट एंड वुड सर्टिफिकेशन स्कीम, रिसेंटली लॉन्च स्कीम है. फास्ट ट्रैक स्पेशल कोर्ट स्कीम है, स्वामित्व स्कीम. देन वी हैव PM मित्र स्कीम, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्कीम ऑफ मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ टेक्सटाइल्स. PM फॉर्मलाइजेशन ऑफ माइक्रो फूड एंटरप्राइजेस, PM FME, MP LEDS, अटल इनोवेशन मिशन और अमृत भारत स्टेशन स्कीम. So guys, this is the important schemes which you must prepare if you are preparing for this year's examination. और मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा कि सिर्फ ये 100 स्कीम्स के बाहर से पेपर नहीं आएगा. ये 100 स्कीम्स सबसे पहले अच्छी तरह आप कर लीजिए. उसके बाद जब अब लेटेस्ट बजट अनाउंस होगा तो ऑब्वियसली गाइस कुछ और स्कीम्स भी आएंगी आपके सामने, वो भी हम इस लिस्ट में बाद में ऐड कर लेंगे, वो आप खुद भी ऐड कर लीजिए. बट आप देखना इसमें से बहुत कम स्कीम्स ऐड होंगी. ऐसा नहीं कि बहुत मतलब 100 है तो 100 स्कीम्स और ऐड होंगी, ऐसा कभी नहीं होगा. कुछ स्कीम्स गवर्नमेंट लॉन्च करेगी वो हम यहाँ पे ऐड कर लेंगे, ठीक है. सो अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग गाइस, दिस इज अ कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव लिस्ट. मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा कि यार अगर आप अच्छी तरह तैयारी कर रहे हो तो ये स्कीम्स आपने पढ़ी होंगी, अच्छी बात है, पढ़ी होनी चाहिए. नहीं पढ़ी तो प्लीज टेक अ प्रिंट आउट हियर और इनको अच्छी तरह पढ़ दो, ये स्कीम्स को, मतलब इनको तो बिल्कुल ही मत छोड़ो. इसके अलावा स्लोली एंड स्लोली जैसे जैसे मंथ्स आगे बढ़ेंगे, जो जो स्कीम्स न्यूज में हैं उनको अच्छी तरह पढ़ो, सो दैट यू कैन स्कोर रियली गुड मार्क्स इन द गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स. ओके, सो आई होप दिस इज रियली हेल्पफुल फॉर यू. और अगर अच्छा लगा तो मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में फटाफट में बताओ कि आप अगली वीडियो किस पे चाहते हो ऑन द इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स विच यू वांट फॉर योर एग्जामिनेशन. नाउ गाइस, द इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज वी हैव प्रोवाइडिंग यू अ गाइड बुक हियर, ठीक है। अगर आपने प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन पेपर देखने हैं या फिर सिलेबस देखना तो आप गाइड बुक हमें दे रहे हैं जो कि एब्सोल्युटली फ्री है। द लिंक फॉर दैट इज गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बिलो। अदर देन दैट गाइस आई विल से गाइड बुक आप देख सकते हो। उसके अलावा इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग क्या है, आपको कोई भी चीज we have any doubt with regards to this examination, just go to our website, that is edutab.co.in. Go to the blog section, and guys, with regarding RBI grade B, we are providing you a comprehensive list of the topics which you can go here and read here, completely free hai. Here we are providing you that how the toppers have cleared the examination, so their success stories are given here absolutely free. Just click on any of them which could be inspiring for you, which could be motivating for you, which could be somehow helpful for you in formulating your strategy. So go here, please read them. Then if I talk about here furthermore, if I go here, you can see there will be some important blogs written regarding your examination, because if you can talk about which the difficulty level of examination, how to prepare government schemes, I've just told you. So this is something you can do here also. Just click on this blog, and there we have given you a detailed thing that what should be the thing to prepare government schemes, what to cover, how to approach important schemes, important sources. Just read it from here, absolutely free for you. Okay, so here you can read this thing absolutely free. So this is all about the session, guys. Okay, so I wish you all the best for the examination, and keep working hard, keep preparing hard, and also do let me know in the chat section that on which important part of current affairs you want me to take your next session. So till then, keep preparing hard and keep working hard. Bye bye.